The best way to work this one is you can plug points in, but that would take a real long time, or you can go to your graphing calculator and type it into y equals, all right? But here's the problem. Make sure your mode is radians. I would change your x minimum to negative 2 pi, your x max to 2 pi, your x scale to pi divided by 2. That will make each one of these marks here, which will make it exactly easy to see. My y minimum negative 5, my x minimum 5, with the y scale of 1. That's how I put for my windows to do this one. Then I'm going to go over here and enter the y equals. So my mode's already in radians. And I'm going to hit the math button to get the absolute value. And I have to arrow over to where it's under the NUM. And option 1 is ABS. And when I hit it, a little thing's going to pop up like that. And then put an X in it. And as you put the X in that, then you're going to have to hit the arrow out of it because you're still in there. You have to arrow out, hit the sine button, and then as you hit the sine button, you will then plug in your X, and then hit your graph. Okay? And if you look at the graph, it will look exactly like choice A right there, exactly like choice A. So if you will hold on a second, and I will pull up something here for you to make this a little bit easier to understand too. So you can kind of see it as we do this right here. Hold on. Maybe my computer will work for me. I had it pulled up here a second ago. All right, let me do this here. Kind of have that right there. And so you can see it right here if you want to turn it on. Like I said, here's me showing this. There's all the steps right there. Make sure the mode, radian, okay. Check your window. Notice here I have to hit negative 2. I'm going to hit second, I believe there's the pi button. Arrow down. This time I'm going to go 2. And notice it changes it to the decimal equivalent already. And now here I'm going to hit the second pi divided by 2. And like I said, here I'm going to do what? The negative 5. Once again, I just talked about it. Now I'm going to show it. Now I'm going to go back here to my y equals so I can graph this. I have to hit the math button, arrow over to the numerator I'm talking about. It's option 1 right there. I'm going to enter my x. Notice I have to arrow out. Now I'm just going to hit sine, hit the x button here, close it, and then hit graph. And if you will notice, it does look like choice, closest one it resembles is choice A. Look right there and you can see it does most resemble choice A. So that was the best way to work that particular problem for y'all. Just kind of wanted to make sure we talked about the steps involved in it and that we also showed it with the calculator how to put that in.